In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your aura in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various different auras that you can acquire in Heroes Battlegrounds. Other players will be able to see them, and alongside the aura, they will see the effects coming off of your character. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the color of these auras. To do this, you will sadly need VIP. So the effect that I'm going to show you in this video and the options will only be accessible if you have VIP. Keep that in mind. There are other ways in which you will be able to modify your aura, but to change the color, you will need VIP. So all that you have to do is join Heroes Battlegrounds on any platform, and after you join, click on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will be able to find the VIP options in gold text. Click this option, and if you don't have VIP like me, you will see this message: insufficient funds, would you like to buy 800 Robux, or would you like to buy VIP? And all that you have to do is purchase the right amount of Robux to acquire VIP. Once this is done and you click on VIP options again, you will instead see various VIP related settings, and one of them is going to be effect color. You can also choose kill streak color if you prefer. And as the name suggests, when you choose either of those options, a color gradient wheel is going to appear in the middle of your screen. You can then choose the color from the wheel or use the slider at the right side of the wheel. You can also input a hex code at the top of the screen, and by inputting a code, a specific color will be selected. So you can look for recommendations around YouTube or in the forums, and once you find a specific color that you like, just select it from the wheel and go inside of the game. Now, every effect that you use as any character will have the color changed, and this is all you have to do. You will be able to manage the color of your effects this way, and everyone else on the server is going to be able to see it take effect, and this will work for any platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your aura in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.